owning your desired home has now become much easier and affordable. Maktune Nigeria Limited is offering for sale newly built, beautiful and cozy 21st century style 3-bedroom homes in a friendly and quiet neighborhood within the prestigious Adrian Homes Treasure Park and Gardens Estate, City of David, located in Shimawa, about 5 minutes drive from the Redeemed Christian Church of God RCCG New Auditorium. This beautiful 3-bedroom semi-detached bungalow is equipped with luxurious high-security armored doors, impeccable Spanish floor tiles finish, gourmet kitchen and stainless granite countertops, and captivating indoor finishing. It boasts of a spectacular landscaping, aesthetic and nature-finished exterior compound in a fenced-in yard with parking for up to 3 cars. Just nearby, within the estate, is an attractive park and children playground. The design of this lovely and stunning bungalow home features a spacious living room space, modern design POP ceilings, already installed air conditioning cables, open concept kitchen dining room area with a pantry, fully furnished kitchen with European brand appliances including but not limited to 500-liter double-door refrigerator, 5-burner gas cooker, high-capacity electric oven, 90cm electric extractor, and a 25-liter microwave oven. This 3-bedroom home is all en suite with elegant closets, faucets, showers, toilet fittings, and European brand walls and floor tiles. It has an installed borehole and high-powered pumping machine and GB water storage tank. Clearly evident are the long American-style windows that ensures ample nature daylight and abundant ventilation. With an American-style interior and exterior design complemented with exotic paintwork, this home makes you feel empowered and in harmony. Crowning its design is a pleasant and conducive entrance porch and backyard that provides shade and comfort to enjoy outside activities.
Maktune Nigeria Limited, paying attention to details.